pull up your camera.
All right, guys, this is down here in Vancouver, BC, Canada. That over there is Granville Island. We're gonna take the ferry to get over there.
Oh, I don't know what time.
We need to keep walking. I mean, we were sitting on the plane for like 6.5 hours.
So we're on a little water taxi coming over to Granville Island over here. We'll check it out. It's pretty cool. So you can also walk to Granville Island or take transportation. It's not really a true island per se, but we just wanted to take the ferry because we thought it was something cool to do and just another way to experience Vancouver. So this is literally our first day in Vancouver after getting off of a 5-hour flight from North Carolina. We were really all exhausted this day, and I don't know if that really had anything to do with our thoughts of Granville Island, but I mean, it was crowded. They were doing construction, and we just walked around and left and didn't have much time to do anything else there. The next morning, we ate breakfast at the Hydra restaurant at the Exchange Hotel. It was a little pricey, but it is in Canadian dollars, but the strawberry jam was very good. All right, guys, it is day 2 in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. We're getting ready for our Alaskan cruise, which is going to be on Sunday, so it's Friday. And we had breakfast. What was the name of the restaurant?
Hydra.
At the Hydra, which is in the Exchange. The breakfast was very good. The strawberry jelly was good. And we're getting ready to go out again. We're not sitting, I was going to try to say sitting, but we're looking out the window. And this is our view. And we got some workers up there literally washing the windows on this building next to us. But yeah, this is our view. This is our view outside our window of the Exchange in downtown Vancouver. So basically, that way is north and that way is the waterfront. Pretty cool. All right. I think we're going to some mountain today, and
Grouse Mountain.
Grouse Mountain in Stanley Park. So maybe I'll get some video of that. All right. See you on the next one. Well, not the next one, but the next clip of this video. Peace. So after breakfast, we hopped on a tour bus from the waterfront over to Grouse Mountain, and they have tour buses that line up down by the waterfront, which is Canada Place port, where the cruise port is, and they will take you right over to the Grouse Mountain for free, and it's actually about a 20-minute ride over there, and there's some good views of Vancouver on the bus ride, and there's going to be even better views from Grouse Mountain. So Grouse Mountain has 2 lift rides. One are the smaller lifts that remind me of what they have at Disney World, and then they have the larger lift or ski lift over to the side there. But it costs about $50 to $60 per person. I think we paid about $200 for 4 people to ride the lifts to the top of the mountain, and the views are absolutely spectacular when you get to the top of the mountain.
Ooh, wow.
That's so pretty.
Yeah.
That view, yeah.
It is.
The harbor and everything.
This is
That's
the same
going
kind
downhill.
of overcast we had when we did the
We're going
gondola thing
uphill.
in St. Thomas.
Oh, really?
How's his ears popping?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
No, mine didn't.
Oh,
Mine
there's
didn't.
water down
No,
there.
sorry.
See?
No, mine are a little
Look,
delayed.
I got you.
Oh God.
Hi.
Because when we were
get a
taking the
good
bus
picture.
up, John's like, "Are your ears popping?"
Ah, it's getting looking pretty back there.
Oh my God.
That's
back.
gorgeous.
This is
Oh
my gosh.
so pretty.
You can see like the ocean back there or something. I don't know.
Are you
It's
okay
a
with
lake.
that?
Oh no, the sky.
No, I'm like, I get a little bit motion sick.
Oh shoot.
But no, I'm
Breathe.
Is this
deep
okay?
breathing.
Yeah, this is fine.
I think
When you get to the top of the mountain there, there is a building with restrooms, a gift shop, a restaurant, a coffee shop, and then you go downstairs here and there's more artifacts about how the original lift system was put in. It's a really neat little place to go into and explore and maybe take a break or just buy some gifts in the gift shop. It's a really cool place to go to.
And you might need it in Alaska.
That's a big deal. All right, guys, we're at the peak of Vancouver. Look out here at the top of the mountain. I guess this is where the Olympics were held back in the day. I'm not sure when, but it's pretty. Snow slope, ski slope. Check it out. So the 2010 Winter Olympics were not actually hosted on Grouse Mountain in Vancouver. However, Grouse Mountain was the home of some other activities during the 2010 Olympics.
Send them now doesn't mean they just got off work. I'd rather send them when they're at work.
I got them. No, I can't see Kyle and Kendall, but I can see Tom.
You're good. Now you get them. That's a good picture.
Yeah, but I got a video, a picture. Got a bald eagle. So one of the things everyone talks about doing when they go to Vancouver is visiting Gastown. I guess this was the older part of the city, and one of the coolest things in Gastown is the old steam clock. And we're coming up here on the steam clock here in just a minute. And there's the steam clock. It's a really neat thing. I guess it always runs and runs off steam. We decided to try out an Italian restaurant in Gastown called the Old Spaghetti Factory. It's 100% Canadian owned and operated. I think there's just a few of those restaurants in some large cities in the United States, but it was a very good Italian food, and they were able to accommodate a table of 16 people in a relatively quick amount of time. So it was a fairly good experience there.
Day 3.
It's pretty.
So pretty.
What do y'all think? Vancouver, Canada. Stanley Park. Yeah, it's pretty.
Got a picture of the bridge with the plane over it.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good one.
Oh, honey, put your kickstand down, baby.
You got a nice clear moment.
Hey, I'll do it with the camera up,
Oh, God.
and then I'll do the camera with you taking the picture. All right, then.
Aw.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Cool.
Sorry.
Thank you.
You're good.
Thank you so much.
All
Yeah.
right, cool. Excuse me.
Nice.
All right. No, I can't hold it right. I got all I need. All right.
Key for the cruise.
Absolutely, it is. All right.
So it's kind of.
Tomorrow is cruise day, Sunday. We get on the Serenade of the Seas and we go out that way. Yeah. Then north to Alaska. All right. Cool. Well, we're about to finish up our first couple of days here in Vancouver, British Columbia. And I must say, Vancouver has a lot to offer as a vacation destination in itself. There's obviously a lot of things to do in Vancouver. There are some tourist traps, which is to be expected in a large city like Vancouver. But we really enjoyed it. And I mean, honestly, we could have made a vacation just out of going to Vancouver. But in order to go on the type of cruise we wanted to do in Alaska, you had to go out of Vancouver. I don't think the ones that go out of Seattle do the Inside Passage and do as many ports as what our cruise did up into Alaska. So in order to get the, I guess the Alaska full effect, it's almost necessary to go out of Vancouver to get on those cruises. So we saw Royal Caribbean going out of Vancouver, Norwegian Cruise Lines, MSC Cruise Lines, and Disney also goes out of Vancouver. All right, y'all, when y'all come to Canada, you need to try out Tim Hortons. It's pretty good coffee. Let's see, it's Tim's. Where's it at? Right there. Tim Hortons. It's pretty good coffee. Yeah, check it out. Yeah. All right, guys, here we are. It's cruise day.